class plus 1 exercise 2.2 question number 6. It is given that A belong to Z, B belong to Z, A square is equal to B square. Then we have find the value of R, relations R, domain of R, range of R. Now we are given that A square is equal to B square, AB belong to Z. Then we find the value of A is equal to B square under the square root. Now this square root is cancelled to this 2 power, then we get A is equal to positive negative B. Now this say that B belong to Z, A belong to Z, then we write is A is equal to positive negative A. Then the relations of this becomes R is equal to positive negative A. Then A belong to Z. Now Z is the integer. Now we have find the domain of R. Domain of R means we have find the first component of this equal to A. A means A belong to Z. So then domain of this function is also belong to Z. Now range of this R, we have find the range of this. Now second component of is this, also the range of this. Now this is also A and A belong to Z. Then range of this R belong to Z. Now question number 7 say that here the A is 2, 3, 4, B is 3, 6, 8. Now R say that X divide Y from set A to B. It means A belong to X, B belong to Y. We have find the relations where this first component is divide the second component completely. Now we find the pair of order pair of this component is this 2 divide 6 completely. 2 6, 2 8, 3 6, 3 3 and 4 8. Others then we take, if we take 2 3, then 2 3 is not the ordered pair, not belong to R, because this 2 not complete divide the 3. We does not take these pair, we take only these pair in the R of these relations. In question number 8 say that A is the set of 1 2 3 4 5 and B is the set of 1 4 5 and R is the relation is given. It is given that less than from A to B. We have find the relation of those ordered pair set which A is less than B. It means A के जो एलिमेंट है वो छोटे, B के एलिमेंट बड़े, उनका पेयर हम बनाएंगे A और B से. First we take 1 1 pair. If we take it, then these both are same, but we have given relation is A is less than B, so then this not belong to R. Then we take 1 4 1 5. After this 2 1 not belong to R because A is greater than B, so then we does not take these relations. Then we take 2 4 2 5 like this, 3 4 3 5 4 5, not 4 4, 5 5, not 5 5. This is the R. Now we have find the inverse of R. Inverse of R means these components change to, this is X change to Y, Y change to X. Now this inverse is 4 1 5 1 4 2 5 2 4 3 5 3 and 5 4. This is the R inverse of these relations. Next question say that R is the relation X and Y both belong to natural number. It means X belong to natural number, Y belong to natural number. And it is also said that X plus Y, it means sum of both natural number equal to 10. It is given. Now R is equal to X plus Y is equal to 10. It is given. Then X is equal to 10 minus Y. This is your relations equation first. Here X belong to natural number, Y belong to natural number. Here we put the value of Y 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 up to so natural number. Then we find X is also natural number. We stay when X gave the natural number, not gave the natural number. If we put Y is equal to 1 in this first, we get 9, put 2, then 8, 3, 7, 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 4, 7, 3, 8, 2 and 9 1. We put 10. 10 minus 10 equal to 0. This 0 not belong to natural number. It means after this 10, all natural number are not give the natural value of a x. Then we does not including this number. So now we get the relation of this number is, these are the value of y and this is the value of x. Then we write the value first of x. 9 1 8 2 7 3 6 4 5 5 4 6 3 7 2 8 1 9. These are the relations of these number. If we add both these number, we get the result of 10. All these. Now domain of R. Now we have find the domain of R. We tell that domain of R first component of x. Yeah, R is say that domain of these number. So first component is 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. These are the domain of these R. If we write is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 similarly. Now range of this, range of say that second component, it means value of y. Here the value of y is, these are the value of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are the range of this. If we take 10 11, these not including these number because we put the value of these x. These number are not give the value of a natural number. Then we take only 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, the range of this function. In second part of this question say that R is the relation x less than 5 or y is equal to 3. X belong to natural number, y belong to natural number. It is given that value of x is less than 5 and all less than number is belong to natural number. So now x becomes 1 2 3 4. These number are belong to natural number. Y is equal to 3. It is also a natural number. Now in second part we have also find the domain and range of this function. Now the first component, if we write is 1 2 3 4, this is the value of x. This is say that domain of a R. So now domain of R function became 1 2 3 4 and range of value of y only one of element. This element is 3. So then range of this function is a, in set of integer relations a related to b, if this is given that R is the set of relations x square plus y square is equal to 25. It is the relation given x square. It means sum of square of x plus square of y is equal to 25. So we take these value in ordered pair. We take two value of these sums and find the value of these. Now this is the relation x square is equal to 25 minus y square. Now we take put the value of a y. Y is 5. 5 square means 25. 25 minus 25 we get the result 0. After this we take the value of minus 5. Minus 5 square is also 25 and this minus this we get the result 0. After this we take the value of this y is 4 and we get the value of x is equal to 3 and this minus 3. Now we take this result, simplify this, sum of the square of these value is equal to 25, then we are correct. Now square of these value plus square of these value, we get the result is 25. Then minus 3 minus 4, 4 3 minus 4 3, 4 minus 3 minus 4 minus 3. These are opposite to each other. These are not same. This is the value of x, this is the value of y. Here the value of x, this is the value of y. Both are different. Then these are not same. So then we take others to 5 0 minus 5 0. These are the ordered pair of this R, which sum of both term is equal to 25. Now in these questions we have also find R inverse of these two terms. Now R inverse of R is equal to, we have told about this, these value change to y change to x, x change to y in previous questions. So then 5 0 0 minus 5, these value take is 0 minus 5, 4 3, 4 minus 3, minus 4 minus 3, this value 3 4, this value, this is 3 4, 4 minus 3, this value. Next, all the term reciprocal to each other, then we find the value of R inverse. Now also find the domain of R. We tell the domain of R, the first component of this. This is the first component of R is called the domain of R. So here the first component we take this minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, 0, 3, 4, 5. This 0, minus 4, 5, 3, minus 3, 4, minus 4, and this negative 5. These are the some value of this minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, 0, 3, 4, 5. These are the domain of R. Now inverse of domain of R also equal to this, because if we take change these relations, then we find the value 5, 4, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 is equal to domain of R inverse. So now domain of R inverse is also 5, 0, 4, 4, minus 4, 3, minus 3, and these values are the domain of R inverse. Now in question number 11. In question number 11 and 12, these are two questions of this exercise. Is very important questions of a 10 plus 2 exam, 10 plus 2 relations. Now in relations there are some type of relations. Now first of them is reflexive relations. Reflexive relation means if A and B are two sets belong to a non-empty set, then A belong to A and A belong to capital A. This is said that both elements are same in reflexive relations, and the relation is given by the R. Second is symmetric relations. Symmetric relation is said that AB belong to R, then it's opposite BA also belong to R. It means it is said that the relation, if this relation belong to R, it means we are given any relations like this. A minus B is even number. This even number is belong to given R. Then opposite of this BA, it means this place to change to this place to here. So then this is also belong to R. Then we say that this is the symmetric relations. And third is transitive relations. And transitive relations say that AB belong to R and BC belong to R. Then it is also say that AC belong to R. If we take AB, any two pairs or two elements, the relation is given which belong to R. Then BC, this element and this element are same, then BC also belong to R. Then we check this relation, first and third element required the relations belong to R. If yes, then it is transitive, or otherwise not transitive. Now question number 11 say that R is given is A minus B is even. It is given A minus B, A में से B घटाएं तो even number हमें चाहिए. Where AB belong to Z, it is also said that it is integer set. It means even is also integer. Now first condition is say that A. These value of both component are same. First component is 1, second component is 1. It means we take the value 1 1, then 1 minus 1 equal to 0. It means A minus A equal to 0. 0 is A even integers belong to Z. If any numbers, if Z means integer, any integer is subtract to itself, then we result given to 0, and 0 is A even integers. Then this is say that this relation is A belong to R, for all A belong to Z is even. Now second rule is AB belong to R. It is given AB relations है A minus B. It means A minus B is equal to even. It is given. It is compulsion. It is given result. Then we prove that BA also belong to A. B, A belong to R or A, B belong to Z. So now we take negative sign common out from this symbol. So B minus A is common out, is a even number, A, B belong to Z. So then this is also the relation in a R. Now for example, we take if A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3 in these relations. So then we take this left hand side, and left hand side is A minus B is even. So now 1 minus 3 we get minus 2. Minus 2 is a even integer. And in right hand side it is said that B A, it means B minus A. So then we take these relations. We take 3, B की value 3, A minus 1 and negative common. This get minus 2. Now look here, this is also minus 2 and this is also minus 2. Then left hand side is equal to right hand. Third part say that AB and BC belong to R, then AC belong to R, ABC belong to Z. Now it is given that in first part of this question we have shown that AB belong to R. It is mean A minus B is a even integer. It is given. Now this is say that B minus C. It means B minus C is also a even integer. Then we prove that A minus C is also a even integer. So then this is first, this is second. If we add two even integer, then we also find a even integer. Now we add this first and second. A minus B, this is the first even integer, this is the second even integer. If we add these two numbers, then we get B minus 2B cancel, we get A minus C is also a even integer, because sum of two even integer is also a even integer. For example, we take minus 2 is a even integer, minus 4 is also even integer. If we add both these integer, minus 2 and minus 4, we get minus 6. This is also a even integer. Now in question number 12 say that R1 is the relations AB belong to R1, and it is given that condition A plus AB is greater than B. It means these are two numbers. AB is a real number. AB belong to R. R stands for real number. If we take two value of AB and add them 1, then this result given the number is greater than 0. It is the relation, it is given the relations. Now we verify this relation to this operation for A and A. Now here the value of A is A and B is also equal to A. So now we put these relations 1 plus AB. It is given relations 1 plus AB and the result is greater than 0. We take this. If we put A is equal to A and the B value is also equal to A. So now the result is 1 plus A multiply A. It means 1 plus A square. If we take A is any real number and put the any value of the square of any negative and positive number is also a positive number, then we add 1, then this result is also greater than a 0. So now second part say that AB belong to R1, then BA belong to R1 or AB is a real number. Now this left hand side, in this left hand side say that AB is equal to R, then this is the relations. Now look here, AB belong to R1, then implies 1 plus AB is greater than 0. It is given for these relations. So now we put 1 plus AB is given a number greater than a 0. It is given. Now we take this RHS side. In RHS side we look here, A change to B and B change to A. If we put the A की वैल्यू B पुट करेंगे, B की जगह A पुट करके इस रिलेशंस के अंदर, तो we get the result 1 plus A B B A. This is also the similar result of this. We like this 1 plus A B, and this is also this. We write is 1 plus A B or B A. Both are same. Then this is also greater than 0 because we have already left hand side given that a plus b also greater than a 0, then this result 1 plus b also greater than a 0, then left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence